Hi, this is Alan from alpusonlineai.com, and I'm going to explain to you why alpusonlineai.com is a game changer for online marketing. In today's digital age, online marketing is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for businesses of all sizes, but navigating the ever-evolving landscape of online marketing strategies can be daunting. Enter alpusonlineai.com, a revolutionary platform that leverages the power of AI to transform the way businesses approach online marketing. This blog post will delve into why Alpus Online AI is a game changer for online marketing, exploring its unique services, the benefits it offers, and its commitment to responsible AI integration. Check out our website here, https://alpusonlineai.com. Revolutionizing online marketing, the Alpus Online AI mission is to empower businesses with cutting-edge AI-driven marketing solutions. It envisages a future where online marketing is not just effective but personalized, data-driven and efficient. Unlike traditional marketing approaches, which often rely on generic campaigns and gut feeling, Alpus Online AI utilizes sophisticated AI algorithms to gather valuable consumer data, glean insights, and craft targeted marketing strategies. This data-driven approach ensures that businesses are reaching the right audience with the right message at the right time. Harnessing insights with data-driven strategies. One of the most significant advantages of Alpus Online AI lies in its ability to unlock powerful marketing insights through AI-powered analytics. Gone are the days of relying on guesswork and limited data sets. Alpus Online AI gathers and processes vast amounts of consumer data efficiently, identifying patterns and trends that would be difficult, if not impossible, to detect manually. This data goldmine allows businesses to make informed decisions about their marketing campaigns, maximizing their reach and impact. For instance, Alpus Online AI can analyze website traffic patterns to understand which demographics are most interested in your products or services. You can then use this information to tailor your online advertising campaigns, ensuring you reach the most relevant audience. This level of data-driven decision-making empowers businesses to optimize their marketing spend and achieve a greater return on investment. Personalized customer experience, the Alpus Online AI advantage. In today's competitive online marketplace, personalization is key to building lasting customer relationships. Alpus Online AI understands this and goes beyond generic marketing to create tailored experiences for individual customers. By leveraging AI, Alpus Online AI can analyze a customer's past interactions, preferences, and buying behavior. This allows it to recommend products, services, and content that are most likely to resonate with each individual. Imagine a customer browsing your website who has previously shown interest in a particular product category. Alpus Online AI can dynamically display targeted ads or product recommendations for similar items, increasing the chances of conversion. The benefits of personalized marketing extend far beyond immediate sales. By creating a more engaging and relevant customer experience, Alpus Online AI helps business foster brand loyalty and build lasting relationships with their audience. Boosting efficiency and performance with automation. Let's face it, repetitive marketing tasks can be time-consuming and tedious. Alpus Online AI tackles this challenge head-on with its powerful automation tools. AI can automate tasks such as social media posting, email marketing campaigns, and ad management. This frees up valuable time and resources for businesses to focus on more strategic initiatives. For example, Alpus Online AI can automate the process of creating and scheduling social media posts based on predefined parameters. This ensures consistent brand messaging across platforms while saving marketing teams countless hours. Additionally, AI can personalize email campaigns by automatically inserting relevant customer information and product recommendations, further streamlining the marketing process. The impact of automation extends beyond saving time. By eliminating human error and ensuring consistent execution, Alpus Online AI helps businesses achieve greater efficiency and optimize their marketing performance. Alpus Online AI's ethical approach to AI and marketing. In today's data-driven world, ethical considerations are paramount. Alpus Online AI prioritizes transparency and responsible data use in its marketing practices. It ensures that customer data is collected and utilized with explicit consent and in accordance with all relevant privacy regulations. Furthermore, Alpus Online AI is committed to promoting responsible AI integration in digital marketing strategies. This means ensuring that AI algorithms are free from bias and used ethically to deliver fair and unbiased marketing experiences. Looking ahead, the future of online marketing with Alpus Online AI. The future of online marketing is undoubtedly intertwined with continued evolution of AI. Alpus Online AI is at the forefront of this revolution, consistently innovating and developing new ways to leverage AI for marketing success. Here's a glimpse into what the future holds. Hyper-personalization. AI will become even more sophisticated, allowing for hyper-personalized marketing experience that caters to individual customer preferences in real time. Predictive analytics. AI will be able to predict customer behavior with greater accuracy, enabling businesses to anticipate customer needs and tailor their marketing accordingly. And omni-channel analytics. You can check out our AI promotion website here. That's https://alpusonlineai.com.